Southern Views magazine today as we visit historic Morningside Park in sunny Miami. Enjoy! Southern Views magazine is delighted to have been invited to explore the charm and history of Morningside, one of Miami's most treasured neighborhoods. Located along the sparkling Biscayne Bay, Morningside is known for its lush, tree-lined streets, beautifully preserved Mediterranean Revival architecture, and rich cultural heritage. Join us as we uncover the stories behind this vibrant community and discover what makes Morningside a hidden gem in the heart of the Magic City. The Morningside neighborhood in Miami, Florida, was originally called Bay Shore and was developed in the early 1920s by James Nunnally, a wealthy candy manufacturer from Atlanta. The neighborhood was envisioned as an exclusive residential community with modern amenities and was located on Biscayne Bay. In the 1960s and 70s, Morningside, along with other inner-city neighborhoods in Miami, experienced hard times. However, in recent years, Morningside has undergone gentrification and has been fully restored. It is now considered one of the best planned subdivisions in the city, with wide tree-lined boulevards. James Nunnally was an Atlanta candy manufacturer whose treats were marketed as the candy of the South. The candy was so popular that Nunnally could help finance a buyout of the Coca-Cola Company as well as invest heavily in Florida real estate. Nunnally envisioned an exclusive residential neighborhood overlooking Biscayne Bay, and in 1922, a large undeveloped bayfront tract near the northern city limits was platted by Nunnally's Bay Shore Investment Company. Originally named Bay Shore, 3 phases would be developed by the company between 1922 and 1924, with a later subdivision that was platted in 1936. Widely regarded as one of Miami's most thoughtfully planned historic neighborhoods, Morningside combines graceful urban design with architectural variety. The earlier homes in the district predominantly reflect the romantic flourishes of Mediterranean revival, while those constructed in the 1930s and early 1940s introduced the bold geometric and streamlined flair of Art Deco. The space between the sidewalks and the curbs, known as the greensward, is wide and rich with tropical foliage, enhancing the visual depth of each block. Corners are gently curved and crosswalks are set back, intentionally designed to extend the scenic view and create a more park-like atmosphere. The boulevards follow graceful, meandering angles, and the landscape parkways vary in both width and floral design. The result is a neighborhood that feels less like a collection of streets and more, like an expansive, curated garden woven together by shaded paths and verdant vistas.